Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Happy Prime Day and happy birthday to me. This is my channel, have to make it about me. And oh my god, happy YouTube anniversary to us because my brother gave me my channel as a gift. Like, I don't even know how long ago, 7 years ago. So I'm so happy to be here today to be talking all about Prime Day and to be doing a huge giveaway. I'm gonna try to talk as fast as possible to talk about the best deals, the things that you really can't miss. I'm not trying to sugarcoat it with like 10% off, okay? And I'm partnering up with Amazon Fashion to give away two $500 Amazon gift cards. All the rules will be linked down below, as well as all the links, everything I mentioned, my Amazon storefront that I've been updating every second that I can. I've been posting really good deals over on my Instagram stories, TikTok. Follow me on everything and let's get into it. I wanted to kick it off with really good beauty finds that aren't on the homepage or on the Prime Day page. There's so many Sephora brands that are 30-40% off. I wouldn't even pay attention to the front page or all the Amazon Prime Day deals. I would search exactly what you're looking for. So for example, I really wanted to get the Sol de Janeiro stuff. It wasn't on anything. It wasn't even on like my behind the scenes list. And I went at 3 a.m. I searched it up and there it was 20% off. So I bought it. But what I'm saying is Way is on sale. That's also not on the homepage. There's so many good Sephora brands, luxury brands, and even like Maybelline and NYX for so cheap right now, like cheaper than you'll get on the Sephora sale on Ulta's 21 Days of Beauty. Take advantage now, especially stock up on your like must-have foundations, skincare, hair stuff. They are as good as it gets. This is something that I wasn't expecting, and I feel like in past Prime Days hasn't been a thing, but y'all, so many drinks are on sale. So Celsius are $15 for a 12 pack, which is crazy. They're like 30% off. There's also Poppy, those probiotic sodas. They're also 30% off. Liquid IVs are so darn cheap right now. It's crazy. They're usually $25, but you can get a whole pack like you would get at Costco, for example, for only $18. So many amazing like kitchen appliances on sale, and very, very low for that matter. I'm very sad about the Ninja Creamy. It's not on sale. It's not in stock anywhere, and that was on my list that I get behind the scenes that was gonna be on sale. I was ready to buy it, but it's not. But Ninja has their incredible blender food processor system. I have it. I bought it I think on a Black Friday years ago. I wasn't even married, and I still have it and I love it. And then their Ninja Foodie, which is like their crazy air fryer that does a ton of things, is 38% off. And if I didn't have like a little too many kitchen appliances, I would buy it. Okay, you're warned that I don't know how to say this properly. Yeti tumblers, coolers, like can coolers and things like that are all 30% off. Actually, the can coolers are 50% off. Apple actually has a ton of good deals. This is what I mean when I say this is one of the best Prime Days, because I feel like no brand was too good to be on this sale. Apple is always like, we don't do discounts, and then they finally came through. The AirPods, the newer ones, are on sale. They have tablets, so the iPads are on sale, a ton of different sizes and models for the iPad. I am this close to buying a new Dyson vacuum because it's just such a good deal. So it's this one that comes with that light sensor that shows you the dust and the hairs, which is something we desperately need in this household. It's a Dyson V12 and it's $200 off, which is so crazy. I mean, it's still pretty pricey, but I've been dying for this vacuum. It's my birthday. Maybe I should treat myself. Someone convince me. But they do have a different one, the V8 and the V10, for super inexpensive as well. I think they're all about 30% off. One of my favorite Amazon brands is called The Drop. They do the best quality clothing, like designer vibes, but for super, super affordable. They're all 30% off. They have really nice dresses, really good basics, blazers. They have amazing, amazing clothing items that are like great for everyday life, for work, for travel, etc. Their whole collection is 30% off, and the men's Amazon basics that I've gotten so many things for both my husband and my dad. I always get them like at least like a puffer or something during the holidays from their collection. Also 30% off. So many things don't even have like the red Prime exclusive deal, but are still discounted. So for example, a ton of my Free People dupes that I really, really wanted are on sale, and they're not even showing that they're on sale. So for example, the Free People 2-piece romper set, I bought it a week ago for $33.99. Today is $27. So I bought it again. Check the clothes that you've been wanting. Check the things on your wish list. Search things that you've been wanting, because more likely than not, they won't be like displayed like sale, 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 but they'll be discounted. It's predicted all the Kindles are on sale, and also all the Echo shows. A lot of you said in my Instagram request like what y'all wanted to shop for. The Echo show, they're super discounted. I'm actually like wanting to try an Echo show. They're 47% off, which is crazy. And then Amazon has their Kids Fire tablets on sale. My husband and I are debating whether to get Olivia one or not. They're 50% off, which is crazy. So you can get a tablet for them for $54 when they're usually $109. I was having this conversation with a friend of mine at dinner yesterday, how if you're a mom and you're due before Black Friday, I would take advantage of their deals right now. But if you're due after Black Friday, I would just wait it out and then get your baby stuff then, especially if you have long ways to go and you don't want to start hauling all those things in your house. But they have so many strollers that are incredible dupes for the Uppa Baby and the Uppa Vista and all those strollers for so cheap that like I don't even need a stroller, but this deal is so good it makes me want to get it. Is that bad? Kind of. Amazing strollers, playpens, just so many things. Car seats. I'm pretty sure my brother, this is the time where he got us the car seat for Olivia. Just so many like essential things if you're having a baby. So go by that rule, please. One thing that I added to cart immediately this morning was the Crest 3D whitening strips, and I'm this close to ordering a second pack just in case they don't go on sale on Black Friday. My favorite alarm clock is on sale, 45% off. My jewelry box is 33% off. The thermostat that I told you about is 30% off, making it only $55. It's like the Wi-Fi thermostat, 10 out of 10. Oh my god. The organizers that like I'm obsessed with are $15. Oh, 40% off. Add to cart. It's fine. Not me influencing myself. I already spent like $1,000 today. I am very ashamed, but it's fine. Car seats are almost 40% off, which is insane. My vacuum cleaner, it's usually $350. The robot vacuum that I have, it's on sale right now for $189. That's almost 50% off. Oh, these jackets. Okay, I know I look like it's winter outside even though it's 100 and something degrees, but my favorite jackets for the winter time only go on sale in the summer, which is so inconvenient. They're 33% off, making them under $100. And I know you might be thinking, Phil, what's the point of buying a jacket right now? I can just buy it later on. Do you want to spend $150 or $100? And then I always say, like, this is what y'all get for listening to me in July. Now you're warm and cozy and you save $50 in the fall. And this happened last winter, and a lot of you replied to my story and said, thank you, Philo, for making me buy a jacket in the middle of July. And you're welcome. But really, listen to me. Like I said, I don't know why I'm making this video, because all I'm doing is spending my own money. This herb garden thing is so cool. Would make the best gift, especially for someone that lives in an apartment. I'm about to get this for Katia. It's 70% off. So from $164, it's down to $49. Add to cart, mostly because I think this would make an amazing gift. You love to see it. I'm buying it. One for Katia, one for me. If you've been wanting an Instapot like I have, I'm not gonna buy one though. They're 38% off. I can no longer speak. Making them $79. They're usually $129, so that's a pretty good deal. And then the Ring doorbell that I have, that my parents have, that everyone has basically, they are 50% off. So guys, that is everything for today's video. Hopefully this gave you some ideas or inspo or influence you in some way, shape, or form to buy or not to buy something, because I know some things like might seem like a great deal. I know this it's a time of year where like it's very overwhelming with sales and like you're influenced to spend money constantly this time of year, and I'm here to tell you that you don't need any of this crap unless it's like dog food or like essentials, you know, that are on sale that you actually need. You probably could skip like all of this. Did I do that? No, because I'm a hypocrite. I don't follow my own advice, but I love doing these recommendation videos for you. I love doing these giveaways. I'm sure they can help like a lot of you, so I'm very excited. Make sure to enter, check the rules, all that good stuff. Thank you to Amazon for partnering up with me to give away those gift cards to y'all, and thank you to you guys for everything. I can't believe it's been so long, like since my brother started this channel for me. So I want to say thank you to Simon for putting me on the internet, and thank you guys. Like, we reached 66,000 subscribers yesterday, and it was just like so crazy to see, and to see how far my channel has come, and like how much y'all have been through together, like y'all have been through with me. So I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for being here, for watching, for everything. I will talk to you guys very soon in my next one.